You know that feeling? The sun on your face, the smell of fresh soil, and the satisfaction of creating your own little piece of paradise? That's what we are all about at Centurion Brands. We help folks like you cultivate their green thumbs and transform their yards into beautiful spaces. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, our tools get the job done. Centurion Brands is more than just about gardens. We're about growing a greener future together. Grab your Centurion tools, head outside, and get ready to grow something amazing.